to do more in the health industry, and so I've gone to help with working on a parking deck for Duke Health, as well as a new clinic for ECU Health, and seeing how that design process looks and how we work with our users and designing for different people there. And I've also gotten the chance to work on designing an interactive scorecard focused on sustainability so that we can help to keep track of our projects and how sustainable they are.
I've been working on a lot of hospitals. Me personally, there's the Hillsborough Hospital. I've been doing a lot of that, and they've let me start to do more engineering stuff. So I've been able to get to some of the math, some of the sizings of equipment and all of that stuff. So I've been having fun with that.
Some of the projects I've been working on are also hospitals, the UNC Johnson Hospital. I've also been getting a lot of experience in Revit, which I didn't have, being able to map out existing ductwork, and also with other programs like HAP, being able to do heating and cooling loads, do size equipment, and help clients and contractors assess costs beforehand and kind of see what's needed.
I've been working on kind of like the CA side of things, so I've worked on some submittals and reviewing those, and we're looking to incorporate a new software. So I looked into the AI, some AI-powered software, and presented that to the team. So that was really exciting.
I've been working on many different projects at BSA that are predominantly around the St. Louis region, such as in Illinois and further in Missouri, but also a project in Texas, which shows just how far BSA's reaches throughout the country. And all these projects are in different phases of an architecture timeline, which is really eye-opening for me to be able to see how a project progresses.
The biggest project that I've been working on at BSA this summer is the Phelps Hospital that they are adding on to in Rolla, Missouri. It's interesting to see something that I know so familiarly, not from personal experience. I don't know the hospital, but I am familiar with the area, and it's really cool to see.
The first project I started when I came back, I did the Tampa office renovations. I was doing a few different ARCS flash studies for the Moffitt Cancer Center at the USF campus. And soon we're going to start the St. Joe's Children's Hospital here, and the whole office is going to be working very hard on that the moment it comes out.
The projects I've been working on have been hospitals, including Ascension St. Williamson, Houston Methodist West, and also a behavioral health facility, Victoria City Memorial Health Hospital, which has been really interesting as well. Some of the tasks I've completed that are really fun for me is looking at materials, working on red lines of reflective ceiling plans, and other kind of things.
So I've been working on Phelps Health and Hendricks Health. So I've done the hot and cold water piping and the medical gas piping, along with sanitary and vent.
The very first month I was at BSA, I got put on Hancock Health. We had an infusion project. That project, we took a suite space and we made it into an open concept infusion center. That one was full service by BSA.
The projects I've been working on over this summer, a lot of them have been UT based, which has been really fun. I really like working on projects for a school that I go to and kind of seeing how everything I've been working on applies to certain spaces that I visit frequently. Primarily I've been working on the engineering building and helping renovate the new lab spaces at specifically ECJ. So it's been really interesting to see how lab equipment works and seeing how professors work with like architects to kind of figure out how spaces will work and how to help the students the best.
The projects I'm currently working on right now is the Notre Dame North Quad dorms, and I'm assisting Tony West with the lighting, fixtures, lighting controls, and also the lighting calculations.
Most recently, we have started working in the schematic design phase for East Carolina University's Behavioral Health Clinic in Greenville, North Carolina. So that SD started last week. And then other than that, we've been working on some hospital expansion projects, higher ed, college campus, and hospital healthcare simulation spaces.